I'd like to bring to the attention of you pilots that want to do a bit of DR navigation rather than being just cockpit managers sitting in with your GPS and autopilot. A return to a bit of DR navigation gives you a bit of an exercise about what you were like in your student days. And in the process of doing this, there has been a product made in Australia called a Nav-Aid Rule, which takes the sweat out of this particular form of navigation. And I'll just give you a little demonstration of how it works, and you might think, it could be a good idea to have in your flight bag. What I've done is to draw a route between a place called Narunga and Loxton. That's the track that we want to make good. And obviously you do all your pre-flight calculations, wind and deviation, variation, heading, and you fly a heading. And one of the difficulties with DR navigation is when you get off track. Let's take an example. Say that you were going from Port Arunga and you found yourself over Murray Bridge. Now if you continue the way you're going, that's where you're going to end up. So you've got to do something about it. Now, I don't know what you were taught when you were a student, but you measured the distance flow and the distance off and the distance to fly and did a bit of trigonometry. And by the time you've done that, you're nowhere near Murray Bridge. This is the answer to the problem. Developed in Australia, it's called a Nav-Aid Rule. A marvellous bit of plotter which takes absolute sweat out of DR navigation. Let's see how it works. Alright, you found yourself over Murray Bridge. So you put the centre point of this plotter over the fix, back to your place of departure, and you read off the number of degrees you've got to alter your current heading to get to your destination, which is about 15 degrees. And you've got 80 miles to go. How simple. That's it, done. So you find yourself the other side of the track at, say, Walker's Flat, a visual fix at water. What do you do there? You put the same thing, centre point, over the fix, back to your departure point, and there we are, 5, 10, about 14 degrees right. It'll take you to your destination, Loxton, and you've got about 55 to run. Okay, you make notes of your ETAs, you make notes of your arrival times, but that gets you back to your destination. Okay, again, what do? A marvellous plotter, been around for a long time, and the reason I'm showing you this because I think we've lost the skill of navigation, DR navigation. We've become cockpit managers, not pilots. And a lot of pleasure in going out and doing a DR trip. That's my reason for showing you this thing. I believe there's another one called with a prayer wheel in it. Here, it's got a prayer wheel. So that saves you carrying your E6B. Okay.